Hi guys, how are you? My good name is Chebby and this is my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you will be among my notification gang. Guys, by the way, hii kwangi intro tunamanishanga. Namanishanga. Kabla uje watch, kimbia hapa chini. Ni hapa? Hapa chini, finya hii subscribe, alafu finya hapa kabel, kanaka hivi kabel. Alafu anytime I upload any video, it will actually be bringing on your phone or your laptop that Chebby's new video is premiering or Chebby's new video needs to be watched by you. Thank you so much guys for the feedback you've given us on Convo Corner. Most of the time when we do things, we do it because we like to share us. We just like being the real us. And so that you guys don't feel like we are what? We are like Jesus. No, we are real human beings where that's our story, our true story. Hey, it was real. But we thank God for this far He's brought us. We don't take it for granted. We also don't take it for granted that you guys have been inspired by it. Ani DMs zenyu nimepata na comments nimepata hapa chini. I'm so glad and blessed to have been a blessing and an inspiration to someone who's watching this. It was so useless if I ever do content and I'm just doing it for you to watch and leave. I want to do cook and you learn to cook something forever. Like if it's pilau, you'll never stress doing pilau. If it's pancake, you'll never stress doing pancake. And if it's a story I share from my side, I pray that it inspires you guys. I am not here to preach. I am here to throw down a recipe today. If you see me in the kitchen, it's definitely ordinary kitchen. And to our ingredients for today. Guys, kitu narusha leo ni ya wasapere. Mashemeji wangu kina Jo. Tuende kazi. And to our ingredients for today. Guys, I'm doing beef stew. This is one of my favorite recipes, by the way. I crave it. Weirdly, I crave it most of the time. Tuanze hapa. I have pre-boiled beef. Hii ni beef nimeboil na ginger na garlic. I know if you guys have not watched my ginger and garlic, this is how I store my ginger and garlic. This one even can stay for a month. So when you go to the market or when you buy your ginger and garlic, ndio isishinde kikaukia hapo kwa stand, this is how you preserve it. If you've not watched, it's on my shorts, on YouTube shorts, kuna the small videos, na pia kwa Instagram yangu you can go watch. So I have pre-boiled my beef. I have salt to taste. I have, it's called what? It has a name. Jesus. Wasapere wangu? Courgettes. I have courgettes. I have carrots. I have red onions. I have potatoes. Potatoes representing my Moranga pips. I have dania. You guys know how we do it. You know we do leaves on the side and the stalk on the side. I have hoho. I love my food colorful. That's why I'm doing a green and yellow hoho. Sometimes I do red and yellow hoho, it depends. I have minji. And of course I have blended tomatoes and cooking oil. Today we're doing beef stew and my spices are, I have garam masala, I have curry powder, this is garlic powder and black pepper, and this one is chubuniro. Chubuniro is one of try it guys, try it and thank me. Twende kazi. And to our first step, sufuria. As usual, I let my sufuria heat for some time so that nikieka mafuta tu inaenda kuenda. So tungoje ka sufuria ka heat. I'll put in my oil. Tangoje ichomeke mafuta. So I'll add in my Ninakuchoma pole. Kanipike mwisho. Sorry. I will immediately add in my onions. Usually I always pre-boil my nyama. So nyama vitungu mafuta upata nyama kwa sufuria ndani, but for this one, because I was showing you guys from zero, I had to remove it. Niliboil nikatoa nikaka kando, so wacha vitungu ziive. I will add the salt here. Naongeza mpaka ancestors waseme tosha Chebby. Hapa pia ndio mali nitaongeza my dania stalks. Dania stalks is always best used at the beginning of your cooking at this stage because it enhances the flavor. Your flavor ya dania will go all the way. Enhances the flavor. So that's another hack I know I've been showing you guys. For those guys who've been watching my recipes for some time. Here it is. I will add in my spices. For spices, I always tell guys it's optional. Whatever your taste buds like. Whatever your taste buds like. So, usiwahi jilimit na spices. This is where I will add in my minji. Ye daughters of Mumbi, Millie Chebby has sorted your marriages. Point to note, I never boiled my minji before. I will add in my potatoes immediately. I add in my minji. My reason of the instant stirring is because I want the spices to get into each potato, each ingredient rather. This is where if you have your, what's the name? If you have your tomato paste, you can always add in here. I'm not a fan of tomato paste, so sitaongeza. Kama unapenda tomato paste, this is the stage where you add in. I will add in my cubes. My cubes, where are they? I like putting my spices at the beginning so that it can blend with all my ingredients. Kama ni viazi, it tastes the same na minji. Umai taste viazi inaonja maji ndani? Ni kwa sababu watu hujaza maji sana. Before. So I'll put in my cube. At this stage, I will add in my blended tomatoes. My blended tomatoes. Add a little water. Isaidie kuiva. So there we go guys, our potatoes are ready, our minji is ready. I will add in the next ingredient. There we go. Then let it simmer for like a minute. You will have to excuse my babies in the house. Forget about Mila, please. Let's add in some carrots. I'll add in some carrots. Okay, guys, wait, let me just take Mila away for a minute, guys. Add in your hoho. Your hoho. By the way, I do my hoho the last part. Mwisho kabisa kwa sababu ukiweka hoho mwanzo, the all base, as in the all purpose of using your hoho actually haiko, utakuwa umeipoteza. Good. I will immediately add in my dania. I like my hoho and carrots crunchy. So, guys, our beef stew is almost ready. I will add in my dania. I like my beef stew thick, this thick. Nothing is overcooked. Everything is well done. The thickness is brought by the little water I put. I did not put too much water. Niliweka tu maji kidogo. Guys, and just like that, our beef stew is ready. My people, it's ready. Ready, ready. My people, it's that simple to do your beef stew ordinary kitchen way. I always tell you guys, never stress yourself with recipes. When I am here for you, when ordinary kitchen is here for you, I have over 100 recipes. Kama ujajaribu, by the way, go down to my YouTube channel, search any recipe you want, and if there's one that you feel I've not done, just write down on the comments on what recipe you guys would like for me to do, and I will be glad to try it with you guys. Sema kupika na outro. Anyway, my people, thank you for the 250 of you on Instagram. Tufike 150 hapa YouTube. By the way, Joe ameni surprise akaniambia tuko 149. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Joe, for doing an amazing job.
Yeah,
Manze umenifanya nikakuwa consistent because I think tulikuwa so much piled up with so much, and you just coming to our team has been amazing. You are amazing. Thank you guys. Until the next one. Adios. Subscribe, people. Subscribe. I love you, my people.